Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can start conversations with strangers before adding them on Heartopia, because before adding them, you cannot really read what they're saying. It's going to be in gibberish or something. You're just going to go to these cafes and basically you're going to sit down. And here is where you're able to chat. It says chat visible only to players using this item. So they're also going to sit down here and both of you will be able to talk to each other. You also have it in your inventory, by the way. So if you press B, it's like this one. It says set up the umbrella table to enjoy 30 minutes of free chatting and drinks with other DG members. They don't have to be your friends to be able to kind of know what you're saying, but they do have to sit at your table or grab a coffee with you. So I think that's pretty neat. So you can talk to them before they become your friends in the cafe area. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.